when we talked about adding and subtracting matrices, we talked about you can only add them if their dimensions are identical, right? So adding and subtracting. It's slightly different with multiplying matrices. Matrices can only be multiplied if the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. If this is true, the product's dimensions are the rows of the first times the columns of the second. Okay, so let's take a look at what happens here. And so if we have two matrix sets, so let's say matrix A is a 2 by 3 matrix, B is a 2 by 2. Can we multiply A times B? Can we take a 2 by 3 matrix and multiply it by a 2 by 2? Okay, easiest way to see this is just to write those dimensions out, because here's what you can check. When you write the dimensions side by side, the inner dimensions represent this. It's the columns of the first matrix and the rows of the second. So are these two numbers identical? 3 and 2. No. So if they are different than each other, then it's not defined or not possible. Okay, so this product is not possible. And now what if we take the product of B times A? So again, let's kind of take a look at it. So we have a 2 by 2 matrix multiplied by a 2 by 3. And will this one pass the test? Yeah, the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second. Therefore, it exists. And the product is actually going to be have dimensions that are these outside numbers. So the outside numbers are the dimensions. So this is possible. It's going to yield a 2 by 3 matrix. So again, if we took 5 by 2 and multiplied it by a 3 by 5, is this possible? Are these the same? Not the same, so this is not possible or not defined. What if we took a 5 by 1 and multiplied it by a 1 by 3? Is this one going to be possible? Just check and see. Are those the same numbers? Yes. So our product is going to be a 5 by 3. And that's all you'll have to do. So that's one of the things that you're going to need to know is can a product occur based on the dimensions?